I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I've started using the mic right here. Me and Star's taking a walk. Come on, Star. Come on. Good girl. I'm coming. This is a beautiful river. We are about 70 miles from our home. Another location we could have used. If you would want to use solar, this would be your choice. Where you at, Star? Come on. Come on. You better get over here. Good girl. Come on. Star gets her second round of shots here in a few days. Did you find something? Did you find something? Come on. Come on, let's go check this boat out. Come on. Come on, let's go check this boat out. Whoop. You fall in a hole. You just fell in a hole. Poor little thing. Come on. Come on. I'll take you on a boat ride here when you get older, okay? When you get older, I'll take you on a boat ride. You a star? Huh? You gonna be a star? Right here is where we put the canoe in yesterday. Walked it down there. You can go. You can go. Go on. You can go. It's okay. You want to follow me? There you go. You figured it out. Yeah. Go down to the next one. Go on. She's been getting down on the bank, and I've just been worried about her falling in the water. She's never been in the water. Come on. Come on. Follow me. You follow me. I'll show you how. Come on. Come on. You follow me. There, you did it. See? Over here. Let's go over here. See what might be over here. It's her first taste of river water. Where you going? Where you going? Hmm? Looks like there's been a lot of raccoons down here. pretty. There's where the sun's starting to come up, hitting the trees. Now that down there is an island. You can go to the right or the left of it. You done scouting? You want to go back to camp? You want to go back to camp? What are you eating? What are you eating? No, no. She's at that stage where everything goes in her mouth. Here's a nut. Must have been a nut. Come on. Come on. She got in a fight over a stick the other day with one of the other dogs. Yeah, no, 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 Star. No. There you go. There you go. Go on, you can do it. Go on, I'm right behind you. Step on that rock. I had to help her. I had to help her. Good girl. Yeah. Let's go back to camp. Find the camp. Take me back to camp. Show me where it's at. Show me where camp's at. I lost sight of her this morning for a little bit. I got a little concerned. Pretty soon I whistled and she comes running behind a tree. She's up to, she's getting about 3 cups, 3 cups of food a day now. Plus she gets 3 baby carrots. She loves them. Where you going? Where you going? We got some Billjack treats. They're a little rich, probably for her little stomach, but really playful right this morning. Come on, come on, come on, get over here. She's just not paying any attention to me right now. I think she's got to go to the bathroom. Don't fall in another hole. Here recently, we had found a rabbit hole. I see one of the campers is up in our backyard. It was a hole, and Connie looked down in there and had a baby rabbit in it. And I had noticed a mother or a rabbit sitting over, just sitting in our backyard, in the middle of our backyard, and she just wasn't moving. And then she started coming every night to that same location. She had that baby rabbit in there, and she was feeding it. And there was another one in there that was dead. But finally, after a couple weeks, the baby rabbit come out of the hole, and one of the dogs had it in its mouth, and we made her put it down. And A couple of days later, we put her back in the hole, and a couple of days later, the baby rabbit got out of the hole, ran over and got in the flower bed where she was concealed. Well, I'm going to sign off of this little clip of me and Star taking a walk this morning. You guys have a good day. Camping with Endless Weekends. From us to you. Much, much love. Bye-bye.